Welcome to the MatterSuite demo showcasing our new Google Calendar integration. Once on the dashboard, head over to the Apps section. Here, you'll find the Google Calendar app. Click View, then select Connect to begin the integration process. A Google sign-in pop-up will appear. Choose your Google account and continue. Now comes the Google OAuth consent screen. It says, MatterSuite wants to access your Google Calendar. This is essential to enable two-way synchronization of events, both read and write access. Click Allow to proceed. Your Google Calendar is now successfully connected with MatterSuite. Note, we are only requesting what's necessary. No hidden scopes are being used. You can now choose which MatterSuite calendar you'd like to sync. Click on Sync, and then pick the corresponding calendar in your Google account. Great! Let's now head to the Calendars section. In MatterSuite, you can create and manage multiple calendars for different cases or practice areas. Let's create a new calendar now. Once created, you can start adding events right away. These events can be meetings, court dates, or deadlines. Now we switch to calendar.google.com. Here you can see the calendars you've already created in your Google account. Let's perform a few calendar operations. We'll edit an event, update its timing, and create new ones, both in MatterSuite and directly in Google Calendar. Done. You'll now see your events auto-reflected on both ends, MatterSuite and Google Calendar, in real time. Watch how updates from either side are instantly synchronized. This keeps your schedule accurate and accessible from anywhere. If at any point you wish to disconnect your Google account, simply go back to the Apps section, click View on Google Calendar, and then Disconnect. It's that simple. All Google API scopes used are directly reflected in this demo. No hidden permissions are requested. That wraps up our Google Calendar integration overview in MatterSuite. Thanks for watching.